Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where sleep mode is not working on your Windows 11 computer. And now let's get started. First, let us tackle the power settings. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the System tab and then choose Power and Battery. Please allow a moment for this section to load completely. Once it has loaded, expand the list for Screen and Sleep. Here, you will find options for Screen Timeout and Hibernate Timeout. If these are currently set to Never, change them to a different value. This simple adjustment often resolves sleep mode problems. If changing the power settings does not immediately resolve the issue, proceed to Windows Update. Go to the Windows Update page and click on Check for updates in the right pane. Ensuring your operating system is up to date can fix many underlying issues. Next, we will perform a system file check. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on the Command Prompt search result and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the command /scannow and press Enter. This command will scan your system files for corruption and attempt to repair any issues it finds, which can often be the cause of sleep mode malfunctions. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.